Checking out this small light. It's the box it arrives in. Open it up here. Have a nice set of instructions. The light itself. Cable to charge it with. It looks like USB-C. Oh, that's a USB-C to USB-C. That's pretty cool. So taking a look at the light, it's got a metal clip so you can hang it. We have a USB-C to charge. Got the power button. Got this yellow. And then we got the plus and minus. Let's take a look at the instructions, see how it works. Pretty easy to understand instructions. So the power button, you just hold it down. Once it's held down, it'll turn on. Then you can cycle through the yellow, red, and white color options. This yellow button is the one short tap will make it a motion sensor light, so it'll only come on when there's motion. And then if you hold down the yellow light, it'll turn into an SOS. If you hold down the power button, it'll shut down. When you have it on, no matter what mode you're in, there's a plus and a minus, and that will adjust the intensity of the light or the dim increments, or if you hold down, it'll fade into the lightness or darkness that you might want. There's of course the clip on the back, a rubber so it doesn't slip around, a way to hang it, so it's overall pretty handy, rugged light. I want to thank them for sending us this one to check out. I hope this helps.